Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to link your Gmail account to Telegram for improved notifications and integrations. Open the Telegram app on your phone and tap the three horizontal lines in the top left to open the menu. From there, select Settings, scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section, and under that, look for the Link Accounts option. Once you are in the Link Account section, select Gmail and follow the prompts to sign into your Google account. Make sure to give Telegram permission to access your Gmail notifications. Now, after linking your Gmail, you can configure how and when you receive Gmail notifications via Telegram. Choose your preferences and you are all set. And that's it. You have now linked your Gmail to Telegram. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.